everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, beauty and all that jazz. It has been a minute and I feel like I've always been saying it this whole year. It has been a minute because I haven't found my routine yet with KezziesCorner. However, as always, a lot of things have been happening, good and bad. Not just have the good, we also have to have the bad, and we also have to have time and space for the good and for the bad. And like KezziesCorner, YouTube has been put in the background, but it's always been like at the back of my mind, I want to do YouTube. So it's not something that I said I don't want to continue it. It crossed my mind sometimes, like, will I change the focus a little bit and not just do makeup? I still do makeup, but will I change it and like also do some sort of, I don't know, psychology related things, since I'm a psychologist? And now I'm a psychotherapist while waiting for my warrant. I finished my course in Get Out Psychotherapy, so I'm no longer a student anymore. So that is crazy. Since I started YouTube, I always was a student. So it's been a lot of changes as well. I don't know. I think I'll always keep YouTube as makeup because that is a space where I can like share my love for makeup, creativity and all that jazz. I think I will start incorporating something psychology related as well, you know, like linked with my job, which is what I do on a full-time basis. So many things have been happening, you know. This year we're soon going to be a year that we've moved out into our new home. We've bought our Christmas decorations and we've decorated, so it's been a good time. It's been a bit of a hard time as well, but you know, we just have to take it day by day and just see what comes, basically. I have a new video for you all, and I just want to, again, I feel like I wish to apologize, to say I'm so sorry that I've been gone. But I hope that, you know, some of you will be watching again. I really hope so. And for those of you who are new, my name is Kezia. I am 30. Oh my God, I can't believe I say that. 30 years old now. And yeah, I'm from Malta. I'm a full-time psychologist and hopefully soon to be psychotherapist because we're waiting for our warrant. And yeah, I just love doing YouTube on the side and showing my love for makeup, beauty and all that jazz, as I said before. We've done nearly 3 minutes talking, so I'm just gonna stop chit-chatting and start today's video. But I just wanted to reconnect with you guys because I think that's very important. Enough chit-chatting and let's just focus on today's video. It's going to be an unboxing of Read Your Heart. I've previously done a video with them and I'm going to be doing another video with them. So I'm really grateful. So yeah, that's going to be today's video. So if you want to see more, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. So basically, Read Your Heart reached out to me again and I was so excited, and I was able to be gifted some new pieces from Read Your Heart. Before we show you, or I show you, the new items that I have, I just wish to tell you a little bit about Read Your Heart. So Read Your Heart is a jewelry brand and it basically creates beautiful jewelry pieces you can buy either for yourself, a gift to yourself, from you to you, or else a gift to your loved ones, or even like your partner, you know, can go on this Read Your Heart and like gift you something, because Read Your Heart gifts pieces, you know, that will have memories connected with them. It's so beautiful that the brand, you know, this is like their message kind of. Their message is to gift sentimental pieces and create memories behind these pieces. So each piece that you give, you know, will have a beautiful connection with it. So I thought that was like a really sweet message that they have on the website. They also use what is called as Moissanite, and Moissanite is quite an affordable replacement, I guess, if you could say, to a diamond. The quality of it is still quite amazing. It is more affordable, it still lasts long, it's better for the environment. And yeah, the durability of it is impeccable because I have pieces which I've had now, I think, for a year since I've worked with them for the first time. And the piece is absolutely still divine. But yeah, I just love that they just make it more affordable because, you know, in today's life and world and age, not everyone affords the same things, and that's pretty much normal. And it's not fair that we have to, like, you know, put pressure on ourselves, you know, to buy like what we see. So I love that there are more affordable things. Like, why not? I mean, they still look so pretty nonetheless, and you know, what the hell? What the hell? Anyways, I'm just gonna now jump right into my new pieces. What I love, and this is good to know, is that whenever you order a piece, like even if it's like a gift for you to you, they will still give it to you. But if it's a gift for someone, they will give you this. You will have, oopsie daisy. a bag that you can set up for your gift, and it's a really cute bag. I really love the bag actually. Like this. Ooh, and also before I continue, they also have an amazing Black Friday sale next week. Well, this week when I'm like posting the video, they have everything up to 70% off. And I have a discount code for you. It's Kezzie15, so you can get 15% off your order as well. So I think that is fabulous. So you get this bag, and then you also get these envelopes, which basically shows information about the Moissanite piece that you would have. So as you can see, you get like an information about the Moissanite report. So you get also this as your warranty and like as proof, kind of, that it's legit. So that's fabulous. So you can always get those. And I've already set them up, but then you will get the boxes that you can put the jewelry pieces in, and then you can get like, you can just place the things in them. So I have two things, which, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me share with you the first thing. So I have my phone here to exactly tell you what it's called. So I have this one. So you get a box like this, first of all, right? And then you open it and you get this beautiful ring. Oh my god, guys. That is truly, truly stunning. I'm just waiting for it to focus. But oh my god, it's truly beautiful. And this, you know what this is called? Well, this is called the Halo Pair Moissanite Triple Row Pave Engagement Ring. And it's super duper gorgeous. And I'm just going to wear this because I took off my engagement ring and I'm going to put this on. You don't tell Luke, but it's just so pretty. Look at it. Look how pretty it is. Oh my days. It's gorgeous. Honestly, it is so, so pretty. Oh my god. And look at the quality of it. It feels really solid. It's super duper beautiful. It is reflecting so beautiful. I honestly, oh my god, stunning. I am impressed. Like the first time I received a ring from them, I was so impressed with how beautiful it looked. So, and then the second thing is actually a pair of earrings, which, let me tell you what they are. So these are the earrings, okay? So these are the Moissanite Series Classic 6-claw sterling silver stud earrings. So these are also from Moissanite too. I'm going to be trying them out. So let's apply. Okay, right now I have psoriasis around my ear area. So my ears are not the best right now, but it's fine. Like it shines, guys. Look how, oh my god, look how shiny these things are. Honestly. So absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. And if you go and read how the brand came to be, it's truly a beautiful story where this woman had lost her engagement ring and she met this charming lady who told her all about Moissanite, and voila, Read Your Heart was created. It's so beautiful, honestly. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with them. So yeah, basically today's video is just me sharing these beautiful pieces. I am super duper thrilled. So beautiful. I changed the ring because I will be wearing it on this side since I have my engagement ring on this side. But oh, and like even for like engagement rings, they're a good alternative as well, like if you are looking for something more affordable, which I so agree. I really love how the things come packaged. I love the durability of the boxes as well. They're so super duper pretty. They provide you with everything, so don't you worry, guys. The jewelry pieces would come in these little packages right here, and you get this bag and you can put your gifts in the bag. You're good to go. So that's me just sharing with you something cute and a cute gift idea as well. And you can buy your gifts during Black Friday because I have an amazing sale. With Christmas coming, I guess you could gift either yourself or your loved ones something special from Read Your Heart. That's today's video. I hope to see you very soon, which I hope you will. I want to say thank you to Read Your Heart for collaborating with me on this video. I should say thank you to all of you guys for your amazing support. And I just hope that I get to see you soon. I get to see your comments again because I've missed seeing them. I'm just so happy to be able to do this video today, and I look forward to like just sitting down on my vanity again and just filming for once. Yeah, because it always takes the back burner, unfortunately, but not anymore. But my fairy lights hadn't done that in ages. Okay, I'm gonna continue rambling because I don't want to say bye, but I need to now. So I hope you all have a lovely day, guys. Take care, and yeah, happy Black Friday week. Ciao guys, see you.